What's going on, NEM crew? Welcome back to another video. It is day 3 of the Datsun build. Today, we're wrapping up the front end. We're moving on to the rear end. Let's jump right in. Alright guys, by the end of this video, the front will be completely wrapped up. We're gonna test fit a wheel, make sure everything fits. There's no clearance issues, we'll see. I don't think there'll be any issues. We're gonna move on to the rear and see how far we can get with the disassembly. Let's just dive right in. I got 6 hours of Fast and Furious playlists going on right now. So it's gonna be a good day. Let's bring you guys with us. Alright guys, it's time to test fit some wheels. Yes, the time has finally arrived. The front is all together, looks good. Like I said, some fine tuning will need to take place, but everything is where it needs to be. The brake lines are buttoned up, so this is actually going to be a good test to see if everything fits, if there's rubbing, all that kind of fun stuff. So let me put the camera down, grab a wheel, we'll see how it looks. Moment of truth. Oh my God. I think we're good to go. Not rubbing the caliper. It's not rubbing the strut or the brake line. Let me grab a few nuts, not my nuts, for the car, and we'll see once we turn the wheel what happens. How many turns is it? This is the long studded version of these hubs, so this is the not so great luxury of having them. All right. Just making sure everything seems, so we may have some hitting issues at the back, maybe not. This isn't going to be a full representation because we don't have the tires on here, but for the sake of the actual wheel fitment itself, it doesn't look like I'm going to have to run any spacers. There's tons of room on the caliper, the front face here, and the actual rounded part. I mean, I know it's recommended to have at least 15-inch wheels or higher with this kit. So these are 16, so doesn't look like we're gonna have any issues. All right, front's done, on to the rear. With the day coming to an end, there's not much more we can do on the Datsun. I got the diff fluid drained. I'm now going to be draining the transmission fluid. Then we're going to finish the day off with taking off the drive shaft, and that's going to be it for this video. In the next video, we're actually switching up things a little bit, and we won't be continuing with the disassembly of the rear end. But don't worry, that will be coming very, very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Peace out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, you're delusional, in an ocean. Alright guys, that's a wrap for day 3 of the Datsun build. As you guys know, everything on the front end is good. We test fit a wheel, there was no issues there. On the rear, we didn't get too far, but at least everything is prepped and ready to go for the next time we're in the garage working. That will be the goal of the next video, to have everything in the rear end stripped, taken apart, and that way we can focus and get everything prepped for the new parts that are going to be going on the rear end of the car. Hope you guys are enjoying the series this far. I don't know how many more thus far. I don't know how many videos we're gonna have a part of this series. We're just gonna keep going, and every day that I spend in the garage is gonna be a new video. Unless there's any like big delays like there were in the last video, or I kind of just pieced a couple things together. But hopefully you guys are enjoying it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay classy, crew.